So we've just got out of the vet. They've put it in a warm place. A kennel to one place and let it relax, and then hopefully they will set it free. No, it's like a couple of days.
A couple of days we'll come back.
Yeah.
And see if it's okay.
So yeah. So we're just gonna go back to the park now. Now what are we gonna do? My jumper is soaked and my legs. But anyway, yeah. Logan, show them a quick wheelie.
What?
Show them a quick wheelie.
A what?
A wheelie.
Why are we not carrying? Carry this.
Sure. I'll put my jacket in it. Oh, it's heavy. Alright, yeah. I'm going down to get my bike anyway. This? Yeah. Take it down to thingy's mum. Alice's. Isaac, come on. My shirt is soaked. My shirt is a tiny bit wet too for some reason. We just saved a bird.
It was about to die.
It was, and we just took it to the vets.
What?
We just took it to the vets.
What did they do?
They put it into a kennel and
We have to come back in like 6 days to come and
get it and then set it free. So yeah.
Did they take your name?
What?
Did they take like your name?
No,
Yeah, they did.
they didn't. They didn't take mine. They didn't take anyone's name.
Yeah. They took mine, Martin's.
Did they?
Yeah.
They should have took the oldest name. Oldest.
They did.
They took.
Lucy.
Yeah.
Yeah, they did.
Okay. Don't know why they took you two.
What?
Don't know why they took you two.
Just me. Just me and not
That's happened. That happened to my street.
I can easily trade.
Go. Oh. Oh, Jesus Christ! Yeah.
He's got his ball.
I think you need to go to the bridge, Mum said. Me and Lucy were going to go.
So, what are we going to do now?
Go and tell Mum.
What are we going to do now, Isaac?
Let's go to the bridge and see if there's any more.
We're not saving any more.
Where the hell? I don't know, but you're going to have to go and find the ball somewhere else. I don't know where it's at.
Isaac, go to Mum.
It's in the park. It's in the park.
And say,
No, not that. What's that, Isaac? There you go. Isaac, you need to pick that grey ball up.
We should make like a club of like saving animals.
oh, we should.
Well, my jacket's in there. I'll take my jacket.
You could get 10 million likes.
Views.
Yeah.
My bike's still down there. Where's our bikes? No, they're not. Where's our bikes? Our bikes aren't down there.
Yeah, my mum would have taken them for you and put them in the house. Go and give this to Mum and say Alice and Lucy have gone to the park.
Hey, I want to come. Yes. I'm just going to put my jacket on. I don't know what we're going to do now. Alice and Lucy are going to go to the spa.
YouTube video, people could go to the spa. Nah, well, it'll be.
They're not going to. They are not going to the spa. Change of plans. I think we're just going to be doing some bike tricks.
Jack and the other Jack are down there.
Are they?
Yeah. Anyway, you need to tell them what has happened. Look how far
I just said that. I did it when we got out of the vets.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's so bad. This is my little pony. Let's not go homework. Just gonna tie my jacket up. Tied my jacket up now.